I do not want to be here when it snows. Yeah. Man, look. It's raining. Oh, wait. Am I tripping? Is that snow already? What it is, YouTube? It's your girl Queen T, and I'm at work, and I'm praying it don't snow when I get off that sunlight, because baby, I can't do this. I don't want to be out here and it's snowing. Let it stay. You know what I'm saying? Florida. Let it be like for the Floridians. Ain't no way in which hell I'm dealing with this shit. That look like snow. Like dead ass snow. We gotta get back in here. I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, I'm finally on a break and it's still raining. This is not snow. It don't look like snow. It don't feel like snow. It's cold as fuck. It's rain. So yeah. Dealing with that. Wait to get the freak off. So I go home and pray it do not still be like this when I get off. Matter of fact, I need to check when my ride comes so I can leave on time. I gotta count the drawers stuff. I'm trying not to cuss y'all, so y'all see me stopping on my words. Do that. Go home. Edit. Make sure y'all check out my scary cop video that I just posted and my vlog. And I will be posting another vlog after the reaction video, so make sure y'all check that out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. This is the night. I'm off tomorrow. I gotta do this, Thursday. Let's pray it warm up. Soon as possible. Goodbye. I feel so freaking sick. I just threw up this damn food. It's messing with my acid reflux. I'm ready to go home, man. I'm ready to go the fuck off.
Y'all know it's your boy in this motherfucker, man. Y'all need to tap in, man. Y'all go follow me on all social media, Off the Hustle P, man. YKP on TikTok. Go follow me on TikTok, y'all. Y'all gonna love it there.
Come on. It's like 10 o'clock in the morning. I've been woken up by motherfuckers rapping. Loud noise.
Swear to that, all out.
And can't sleep. Trying to record my life and this camera ain't shit. I fucking hate it. Okay, so I got that running. That's what you hear something. Cinema, that's what you hear something. I'm rapping, making noise early in the morning. Fucking hate it here. Using it for money recording. That's just being a fucking disturbance to the household. Yeah. I know how to fix a bitch like that.
Unlike name-brand chemicals that can enter the bloodstream, causing lung disease, birth defects, and other respiratory.
Close your ass.
What he didn't expect
My
was for it
next
to go viral on social
the channel.
media.
Y'all see already I'm on my other channel. But damn, they sketched the fuck out of me.
Right now, giving you a live look out there in Pensacola. You can see a beautiful blanket of snow. If you peek really closely, you can see there is ice packed under. That's why Florida spent much of Tuesday preparing for this significant bout of winter weather. It's the most winter weather since 1989. Airports closing and officials calling for residents in the Western Panhandle to stay off the roads. And you can see why with that big blanket of ice there on your screen. I want to show some of the latest video that we have to provide perspective. Widespread reports of 5 inches to even 12 inches of snowfall reported around Pensacola Tuesday evening. And as you can imagine,